Can a really expensive gong or a tuning fork actually cure your chronic ailments? Welcome back to Weird But Well, the channel where we take a deep dive into the wellness trends that make us raise an eyebrow, then maybe two. Today, we're vibrating our way into the ethereal world of sound healing and vibrational medicine. Because apparently, your next doctor's appointment might involve less prescription pad and more chakra aligning hums. Is this ancient wisdom, cutting-edge science, or just a really good excuse to relax while someone tinkles a bell near your face? Let's tune in and find out. Now, before we get too sassy, let's be fair. The idea of using sound for health isn't entirely new. Ancient cultures have used chanting, drumming, and singing bowls for centuries. Think meditative states, spiritual ceremonies, or just a good old sing-along. The proposed idea is that different frequencies or vibrations can affect our bodies, which, let's admit, are mostly water. Science does tell us sound is just vibrations through a medium, right? Fast forward to modern wellness, and things get a lot more specific. We're talking about precise healing frequencies. 700-something hertz for emotional balance, 900-something for cell regeneration, 528 hertz for DNA repair. Yes, seriously. You've got crystal singing bowls, tuning forks, gongs, biosonic repositors, and even entire sound baths where you lie down and just absorb the good vibes. Proponents claim these vibrations can do everything from reducing stress and pain to healing cancer, boosting immunity, and realigning your bioenergetic field, which, let's be honest, sounds impressively scientific without actually being scientific. So, what's the mechanism here? According to the vibrational medicine crowd, your body is essentially an orchestra, and if one instrument is out of tune, a specific frequency can bring it back into harmony, like a cosmic chiropractor for your cells. It's a beautiful thought, honestly. Who wouldn't want to just chill out and vibrate their way to perfect health? But here's where the weird but well skepticism kicks in. While the relaxing effects of soothing music, resonant tones, or guided meditation are absolutely undeniable and fantastic for stress reduction, the leap from relaxing to curing cancer is, shall we say, a Grand Canyon-sized jump without a bridge. The vast majority of these specific healing frequencies and their touted benefits simply lack robust scientific evidence. When researchers try to isolate these magical frequencies, they often find, well, not much. What we do know is the incredible power of the placebo effect. If you genuinely believe a sound bath or a specific frequency is going to heal you, your brain releases all sorts of feel-good chemicals, reduces stress hormones, and can even alleviate symptoms. That's real. But it's your belief, your brain's amazing capacity, doing the heavy lifting, not necessarily the specific hertz of the gong. So, can sound help your well-being? Absolutely. Can a guided meditation or calming music make you feel better? 1,000 times yes. But does a specific frequency magically restructure your DNA or eliminate tumors? Our why though meter is redlining on that one. It's often a case of confusing correlation with causation or just plain wishful vibrating. So, the next time someone offers to zap your chakras with a 402 Hz tuning fork, remember, enjoy the chill, appreciate the relaxation, and maybe even get a good giggle out of it. Just don't cancel your actual doctor's appointments just yet. Sound healing is a fascinating, wonderfully weird branch of wellness. But for now, we'll classify most of its bolder claims as good vibes only, results not guaranteed. The content on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any decisions about your health or treatment. We explore unconventional topics, but our discussions are not endorsements of any practices or products mentioned. What's the weirdest sound-based cure you've ever heard of? Share your stories and your favorite skeptical vibes in the comments below. And if you appreciate a healthy dose of sass with your science, smash that like button and subscribe to Weird But Well. Until next time, stay well, but sideways.